Oh! Good run, Cora! Good job! Man, that little hill, you can get up some speed on that little hill.
Well, especially the second run on the already packed trail.
Yeah.
Let's see what Seth does here.
Are you moving?
Yeah. It's okay. You can add in music over top if you want.
You could have him sledding down to Hell's Bells. Oh! Splat! Sorry, do you need help, honey?
No.